This is a komodo dragon. It was recently discovered that they are venomous. That by itself shows us how much we still have to learn about this creature. But one thing we know for sure is that they cannot fly, which is a shame as they are named dragons. But what if they can fly? What would be the best powered flight structure for them to have? But something which is surely required is a better stance. Let's imagine our dragon precursor to be a close relative of the komodo dragon. Let's say this creature is a hypercarnivore and is kind of a pursuit predator. By looking at it, it's obvious that it doesn't need to fly. But let's say it does. What is the best way to do so? First, let's look at its arm's muscular structure. Okay, now let's look at some possible modifications. This is a gliding lizard. Though not capable of powered flight, let's take a look. It glides using its elongated and flat ribs. Let's see how this is on our creature. The ribs would probably be required to be further elongated. Along with this, it is not possible for this creature to get more specialized muscles to support powered flight due to the lack of strong muscle attachment points. But you could say that some bone could elongate and provide muscle anchorage. Either way, it creates a region of the body where there is no framework and direct muscles, organs, and fat. Another way to fly is to elongate a digit, like pterosaurs. Problems. Muscle anchorage requires the sternum. This makes the creature have two legs and two wings, meaning it becomes a wyvern and not a dragon. One of the most famous ways to fly is to use the whole hand. Problems. Like pterosaurs, birds use their complete forelimbs for wings. If our creature was to use this structure, it would again be considered as a wyvern and not a dragon. Like pterosaurs, bats have elongated fingers, which have a membrane in between them. This gave me an idea. What if all the fingers were elongated, but not all of them participated in the wing? I present to you the best way for a dragon to fly, according to me. Here is its wing structure. The wrist, arm, and shoulder are heavily connected by muscles and are sort of fused. This makes a good attachment point for the muscles of the digits, which are very well developed, and the muscular sheath between the digits. The thumb moves independently from the rest of the digits. Though this is not present in Komodo dragons, this has evolved several times in various creatures. You could argue about something here. Chameleons have opposable fingers. So getting a chameleon to make a wing out of 3 fingers and a hand out of the remaining is easier. But more fingers in the wing means more control over the shape of the wing during flight. And it's not easier for a creature to get a finger to swap sides in an opposable hand than to get a non-opposable hand to become opposable. Along with this, I just wanted to make a Komodo dragon into an actual dragon. So here you go, the best way for a dragon to fly, according to me. And here's a head crest and a tail fin because why not?